I'm making kids laugh.
Hello K3, welcome to our fun science! Have you ever seen a sound? How does a sound look like? So today we're going to do a sound experiment.
Sorry, it's DJ.
You can get some.
Today we're going to use this container here, our basin, and we're going to use a clear wrap. So we're going to wrap it tightly. And then we use the scissors to cut it out. And you make sure that it's tightly closed. Check the edges. And there it goes. Next we have here an uncooked rice. So we get 1 tablespoon and spread it on top of our base and wrap. So we're going to use a pan, a metal pan, and this is our spoon. We move it closer like this, and you observe the uncooked rice on top of our basin. Ready? So normally, our uncooked rice won't move on its own, but if we bang our spoon into the pan, oh, you see, it jumps. This one, the closer it moves. What will happen if we put this one further? So only very few jumps. So how does this experiment work? Sound is a disturbance that travels through a medium as a wave. In this experiment, when you hit the metal pan with a spoon, you disturb the particles of the pan, causing them to vibrate. The vibrations in the pan are transferred to the air surrounding the pan, creating a sound wave. So when the sound waves reach to the plastic wrap, it disturbs the particles of the plastic wrap, causing them to vibrate. So these vibrations in the plastic wrap cause the rice to move. So this experiment will show you about the sound wave. I hope you enjoy our experiment for today, and see you again next week for another fun science experiment. Bye!
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Bye bye.